What's up, YouTube? Today, doing a high ball fade on my man right here. Starting out with T outliners. I did skeleton mine. Very easy process. I used a handsaw, and it took about a minute and a half. It makes it way easier to get around the ear, and it's not as awkward when you're up by the mustache, like the mustache area, around the nose and whatnot. As you can see here, I am going around the whole head with those T outliners, just really making sure I'm getting bald. I've set mine completely zero gapped. It almost feels like I hit the area with my electric shaver. So they're very smooth and they don't bog down like I figured they would. So all good. Right here, about to hit him with the wall cordless seniors. As you can see, I'm taking my guideline about 1/4 inch. They are closed, by the way. I will hit it with lever action here soon. All my initial guidelines are usually 1/4 of an inch. I've been watching some YouTube and I'm seeing some people doing like 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and I'm just curious if everyone's starting to do that or not. So y'all should comment down below. Let me know what your guys' range of guideline is. Jones. Right here, I'm about to hit him with the half guard closed all the way around. Again, taking it up just about 1/4 of an inch. Right here, I still have the half guard on. I got my lever about halfway open, just going around, kind of removing some bulk. He kind of has it thick right there in his crown, as you can see. Just knock that off. Really just doing some flicking action, just kind of knocking it all down. Right here, I'm about to hit him with the one closed. I'm sure y'all could have seen that solid line around his head. Just kind of hitting it all around, trying to take out lines. All visible lines must be gone. Got to make it blurry. I'm about to hit him with the 1.5 guard against grain. That's how we normally do it, right there on the other side of his part. Usually he goes very, very short right there, kind of knocking some bulk out. Just dusted him off right here, about to start hitting his beard. It's pretty basic little beard fade, taper, whatever you guys want to call it. Just closed, halfway open, then half guard, kind of flicking. That's pretty much it on his beard. Spinning him around and just about to do the same exact thing on this side. You guys can see it, get a better view of this side here. Wetting his hair down. He did want some trimmed off, just a little bit, not a lot. I normally do not use shears. I'm normally an all-over clipper over comb type of guy. Just getting big back into shears because I'm attending school again. So let me know what you guys prefer, shears or clipper over comb. I'm starting to like the shear thing, but we'll see how it goes. As you did just see, I left the bangs out because I don't really trim them. I'm just hitting them with a point cut, giving them a little bit more texture. I just think it makes the comb over look better. Here, about to hit him with clipper over comb on his crown, just really taking away some bulk. And then right here, kind of blending in the top part of his hair with a fade. About to start working on his part. I'm back to my Andis T outliners. When making that initial part, it's not just making one line. You kind of want to make two lines, and then you'll color the line in with your straight blade. Most people I see either make a landing strip of a part or a paper thin part, but I think with the technique of doing the two line and then color it in with your straight blade, I think it makes for a very precise and very professional looking part. Right here, clean up his neck. He always seems to have a few straggler hairs hang out around the collar line. Just going back through, clean up his beard a little bit. And right here, I'm hitting him with the straight blade, just really cleaning him up real good. Right here, I'm about to hit the hard part with the straight blade, and as you can see, I'm coloring it in, connecting the two separate lines to make one complete line. Right here, about to hit the hard part with some shears. It's a little technique I learned at a barber competition a few years back. It definitely does clean it up very well. It cleans up those little stragglers that are always laying back over and crossing the part. Something you could definitely see in sunlight, or if you work in an office job or something. Well guys, as I just finished up lining up the outside of his beard, the haircut is now complete. About to be a quick video right here, just a quick spin around. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, more content will be on its way.